And more news coming in on this. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court to conceal victims' identity. This is very important, remember. The petition here seeks the removal of the victim's pic that's been circulating on social media, which some are claiming is after the incident has taken place, while some are claiming is even before of how she was. That also is being circulated. The petition that has been filed states identity of the victim that is being revealed is affecting the family. Apex Court will hear the matter on the 20th of August. Remember, this is important now. The viewer must know that there is already a guideline that irrespective of age, and specifically it's minor, but even for an adult victim, you cannot reveal the identity of the victim unless perhaps the family goes ahead and agrees to it. But as per guidelines, details of the victim, the name, face, cannot be and should not be revealed. And you can see some is circulating on social media, so it appears that there's been a petition that has been filed. We'll try and find out about who has filed this petition. But many, remember, to give you the other side, many believe, why should we not talk about the victim? Because the focus should be on the accused. We must not behave and show if the victim needs to have a hidden identity. Instead, it should be the rapist who should have all the focus, and therefore, why hide the identity? But remember, in cases like these, because of sensitivities and sensibilities involved, and while the investigation is on, there is a proper guideline that the victim's identity, face, details cannot be and must not be revealed. Right, so that's the big news coming in. 20th August, so today's Saturday, remember, and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday when the courts open, that is when there is going to be a discussion and petition on this. Sanjay Sharma, India Today's legal correspondent, is joining me. Sanjay, what is the reason that this petition has been filed और किसने फाइल किया है? क्योंकि गाइडलाइंस तो ऑलरेडी है, तो फिर क्यों जरूरत पड़ी इस पिटिशन की?
गाइडलाइंस ऑलरेडी है, लेकिन मीडिया में जिस तरह से उस पीड़िता और मृतक डॉक्टर की तस्वीरें, उसके नाम और उसके परिवार की पहचान, वो सारी चीजें चल रही हैं, उस पर चिंता जताते हुए याचिकाकर्ता किन्नरी घोष और तुषार रॉय, उन्होंने अपने वकील ऋषि कुमार सिंह गौतम के लिए ये याचिका दाखिल की है और उन्होंने कोर्ट से गुहार लगाई है कि इस मामले में पीड़िता की पहचान छुपाई जाए, क्योंकि उससे उनके परिवार की छवि को नुकसान हो रहा है। कोर्ट नंबर 1 में ये आइटम नंबर 62 है, जो 20 अगस्त को सुनवाई के लिए आएगा चीफ जस्टिस की कोर्ट में। तो ऐसे में अब ये देखना दिलचस्प होगा कि क्या कोर्ट लोकस बताकर इस मामले पर सुनवाई करता है या सुओ मोटो लेता है। तो ये इनसे गुहार लगाई गई है कि कोर्ट सुओ मोटो ले, अपनी तरफ से एक्शन ले और इन सारी चीजों को इंस्टाग्राम है, फेसबुक है, गूगल है, इन सब सारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म से उनकी तस्वीरें और पहचान हटाने का आदेश दे अविलंब।
Sanjay Sharma will be tracking all the latest on that. Thank you very much for now. But remember that you must not share the identity and the name. It is as per guidelines, unless at least the family is ready for it. But in most cases, the victims' identity of sexual assault, torture and death in this case as well are not to be revealed.